Welcome to this episode of Talk and Learn, your go-to for personal development. Today, we read diving into the transformative journey of self-love. With 7 essential practices to build unshakable confidence and embrace your true self, get ready to unlock the power within. Let's jump in. Self-love is a beautiful adventure, but many of us don't know where to start. You might have tried different techniques without fully grasping what self-love really means. Don't worry, this video will guide you through 7 simple yet profound practices to cultivate self-love and transform your life. Nurture your body, mind, and soul. Self-love means caring for every part of you, physical, emotional, and spiritual. Start with your body. Eat nourishing foods, stay active, and prioritize rest. A healthy body supports a healthy mind and soul. Next, nurture your mind with activities like reading, learning new skills, or having deep conversations. This expands your perspective and deepens self-awareness. Finally, feed your soul with practices like meditation, journaling, or time in nature. These help you find peace and purpose. By nurturing all 3, you will build a strong foundation for self-love that empowers you to show up as your best self. 2. Embrace imperfection. Chasing perfection only leads to frustration. No one is flawless, and that's okay. Your imperfections make you human and unique. Instead of judging yourself, practice kindness and compassion. Embracing imperfection also deepens your connections with others. When you're authentic about your strengths and flaws, you create trust and invite others to do the same. This shift helps you focus on growth, not guilt, making self-love feel natural and liberating. 3. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a game changer for self-love. It shifts your focus from what's lacking to the abundance in your life. Each day, write down or reflect on 3 things you're grateful for, big or small, like a sunny day or a kind word. Over time, this practice rewires your mindset to see the good around you, boosting your sense of worth. Gratitude also keeps you grounded in the present, helping you find joy in the moment. Plus, expressing thanks to others strengthens your relationships, creating a cycle of positivity that fuels self-love. 4. Cultivate positive relationships. The people around you shape how you feel about yourself. Surround yourself with those who uplift, support, and share your values. Take a moment to evaluate your relationships. Are they bringing out your best? If not, consider setting boundaries with negative influences. Seek out communities or activities that align with your interests to meet like-minded people. Positive relationships make you feel safe to be yourself and encourage you to chase your dreams. They create a ripple effect of joy and confidence, reinforcing your self-love journey. 5. Set healthy boundaries. Boundaries are a powerful act of self-love. They protect your emotional, mental, and physical well-being by clearly defining what you're okay with. Start by reflecting on your needs and limits, then communicate them assertively. It might feel tough at first, but with practice, it gets easier. Boundaries help you avoid burnout, reduce stress, and feel in control of your life. They also foster respect in relationships as others learn to value your needs. Remember, saying no isn't selfish. It is essential for thriving. 6. Practice self-care. Self-care is about making time for what nourishes you. This could mean relaxing with a good book, taking a walk, or enjoying a hobby that sparks joy. It also includes physical care, eating, well exercising, and getting enough sleep. Self-care isn't just indulgence, it's a commitment to your well-being. Set boundaries to protect your energy and don't hesitate to say no when you're stretched thin. If you're struggling, reach out to friends or professionals. Asking for help is a sign of strength. Prioritizing self-care shows you value yourself, deepening your self-love. 7. Forgive yourself and others. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. Holding on to guilt or resentment, whether toward yourself or others, keeps you stuck in negativity. To forgive yourself, acknowledge your mistakes, learn from them, and let go of shame. It's not easy, but it's freeing. Similarly, forgiving others doesn't mean excusing their actions. It means releasing the pain they caused for your own peace. This practice clears space for healing and growth, allowing you to move forward with clarity. Forgiveness is a journey, but each step brings you closer to self-love and inner peace. Wrapping up these 7 practices: nurturing yourself, embracing imperfection, practicing gratitude, building positive relationships, setting boundaries, prioritizing self-care, and forgiving are your roadmap to self-love. These steps are not just tasks. They are a roadmap to a deeper, more fulfilling connection with yourself. When you weave them into your daily life, you'll notice a profound shift. You will feel more confident, grounded, and ready to face the world with authenticity and love. Self-love is not a destination. It is a lifelong journey of growth and discovery. So take it one step at a time. Start small, maybe with a gratitude list or a moment of self-care, and watch how these practices ripple into every corner of your life, transforming how you see yourself and others. You deserve to feel this kind of love, not just from others, but from within. Imagine the impact. A life where you're your own biggest cheerleader, where challenges feel like opportunities, and where you radiate positivity. That is the magic of self-love, and it is within your reach. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Talk and Learn. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's one self-love practice you're excited to try? Let us know. See you in the next video.